Bad guy on the hill. Catch up to Doug. Catch up to Doug. Let's go back into the house. Catch up. Bad guy on the hill. Yep.
All right, good to go.
Good. Going in. Gun left. Start shooting the guys on your left. Go for it.
Gun down. Cease fire.
Seizing fire.